Hey guys, we're back in the shop. It's kind of snowing outside. There's like 4 feet of snow. There's like a foot of snow outside. I just wanted to give you guys an update on what I'm working on. This mower I got for free because the guy didn't know what was wrong with it, and he was just like, you know, just take it off my hands. So that was super nice. I got it for free from him. It's got pretty much all good tires. I think the front right is a little bit low. I took the deck off. I welded a roll cage on there. I put a front bumper on it. The engine is currently not in it. The previous owner didn't know what was wrong with it, so I pulled it apart and it was destroyed. So over here, I got a V-twin Ranch King sucker. The lady didn't know what was wrong with it, and she was just like, I don't know, I have to get rid of this. So she thought it was the starter. I don't know, it might be something a little more serious, but we'll see. I'm trying to get her started. She's having some problems, so hopefully I can get her started. If not, I'm just gonna rip this mower apart and get everything I can grab off of her. Steering, rear transmission, everything. So I'm hoping I can put that one V-twin into the Murray and have it ripping at like 30 miles per hour. That's my goal. I have to swap the pulleys and maybe buy a pulley or something, but I have to get the pulley ratio right so it's hitting 30 miles per hour, at least like 27. Sorry, I'm really cold right now. It's kind of shaking. And I'm hoping to install a top rack right there and put like a tire on there, maybe like a light bar, but those are all the bells and whistles. I'm not gonna worry about that right now because I got bigger stuff I gotta do, like dealing with the engine. I love the look of the Murray mower. It has that boxy look and it looks super sick. So I'm gonna stick with the Murray and see if I can get an engine in the Murray from other mowers or buy one or something. On the Murray, the steering's a little wobbly. I'm gonna have to fix that. I don't know what's gonna happen with that, but at this point, I'm just trying to be able to have it run and maybe have it go a little faster than normal. So I hope this inspired you guys to do a lawnmower build of your own. I really liked my idea of the roll cage because I hadn't seen any roll cages on those racing mowers out there. You can look up on YouTube racing mower and you'll get a bunch of racing mowers, lowered ones with live axles. You probably won't find a lot with roll cages. That's why I really wanted to do a roll cage on mine, because I just wanted to see how it looked, and I think it looks pretty sick. And I hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see y'all next time. There won't be one with